everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion with MK. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the best condition of health. Today I'm gonna tell you about short layered haircut for girls. Short layered hair is a trendy and versatile hairstyle for girls. It involves cutting the hair into different lengths, creating layers that add texture and movement. It can be styled in various ways such as tousled, straight, or with bangs. Short layered hair is low maintenance and can suit different face shapes. Short layered hair looks stylish and chic. It adds volume and texture to your hair, giving it a trendy and effortless vibes. The layers can be customized to suit your face shape and hair type. It can suit various face shapes. It's a versatile hairstyle that can be tailored to complement different facial features. Generally, short layered hair works well for oval, round, and heart-shaped faces. The layers can help soften angular features and add dimension to the hair. However, it's always best to consult with a hairstylist who can assess your specific face shape and recommend the most flattering layer technique for you. So viewers, let's end the video here and we'll meet you in the next video. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming video notification from me. Thank you.